Hi YouTube and welcome back to the channel Retail Investing and Trading. In today's video we're gonna do a little bit different thing, okay? I'm gonna actually show you my stock portfolio and some of the reasons why I bought some of the stocks that I have and what are my ideas, what I'm planning to buy in 2019. So stay tuned. Okay, and we are back. Okay, first of all, guys, I've been thinking how to do this video, and I just said to myself, okay, man, you gotta, you just gotta transparently log into your brokerage account and show people everything. It's not a big account, guys. I just started investing because in our part of Europe, this is like not a normal thing like Americans is. So I just started. It's around $5,000, and I'm planning to add around $2,000 each and every month to it. I still have around 2,000 bucks in my PayPal account, and I'm waiting for some money to come in my banking account. So I'll be adding around $4,000 into this brokerage account, investing in new stocks. But as of now, it's around $5,000 divided in three or four stocks. So let's check them out. So I'm just gonna log in TradeStation. Okay, let's go. I'm gonna log into the actually trading account. Okay, I have an equity account. It's not leveraged or anything. I'm just gonna straight log in. There we go. Okay, so in front of me you can see my stocks. So basically I hold Apple stock, 19 of 19 Apple stocks. I got in long at 157.48 because to be honest, I think that Apple is not going anywhere. Yes, they have some problems with their iPhone sales, etc. But it's on a good it's on a it's good price. I think it's currently undervalued, and I think very soon, this year, next year, who knows, will make new highs. And then hopefully I will make some nice returns. But by the way, besides that, I'm expecting as I'm seeing an Apple stock as a growth stock, that I'm expecting some returns on a price increase. Basically, Apple has become a good dividend stock, guys. Apple is actually paying around 2% if we check it out. I have an account. Let's just give me a sec. Apple stock. Okay, and there is a dividend, and then dividend yield here, as you can see, is actually 1.85%. So basically, I'll be making some dividend income from this Apple stock. Plus, it's a good opportunity for to get long because in my opinion, which is strictly my opinion, it is not a trading advice, and I have to put a disclaimer here. Okay, so here's a disclaimer. Read it, pause the video, read it. This is not a professional advice for you to invest. Okay, I hope you read this disclaimer, but again, this is solely my opinion. I think the Apple stock will go up in price. I'm already seeing some small profits here, and I think it's a good dividend stock as well. Then we go to General Electric. Obviously, General Electric had a lot of problems lately, which its stock, let's see, the GE stock dropped a lot this year from the all-time highs of 40, so what about 57 bucks to the very very low price of $7. And then at that price I got in. I'm planning to buy. I didn't buy a lot of stocks because I bought Apple, and with the rest of the money that I had I bought some GE. So I'm waiting. GE was actually a blue chip company. It's very huge company, employs a lot of people, and now with the new CEO in place, I think it's gonna go up. So with this $4,000, I will put something into GE as well. I'm expecting GE to get back to its previous levels of 57 down the road, maybe in a decade or who knows. But most of my investment philosophy is just to hold it long term. I'm not putting a lot of money. I'm not planning to put a lot of money in GE because it's still risky. Nobody's too big to fail, so GE can fail as well. I don't know what's gonna happen. Probably nobody knows, but I think it's at a good price, and I think it could provide me good return. So that's why I bought it. Again, there is a risk disclaimer. Uh, don't invest money that you cannot afford to lose. This is not the financial advice, investing advice. Use your money wisely. Then we come to AT&T, which I bought, which was actually my first stock that I bought. I bought $2,000 worth of it, around $2,000, and I solely bought it because I see uh, not a monopoly, but actually duopoly in United States, as Verizon and AT&T are competitive. There is not a lot of big competitors for AT&T, and AT&T is investing a lot of money in being first to market with the 5G network, which will increase, in my opinion, their earnings, and the price of the stock could go up and could go down. Anything can happen, but again, AT&T, in my opinion, was a good buy, and I bought it because a good dividend yield. Because I want to invest for a cash flow dividend. AT&T stock, ticker T, and actually the dividend yield is 6.65%, which is awesome. So basically my investment philosophy is based on the find some stocks that have some growth potential in front of themselves, but also try to look and filter them out who has the best dividend yield. I know that a lot of people are being taught to invest in S&P. I will do that as well, but for now I want to try this, hold few of the stocks particularly, and then invest the rest of it for some kind of a diversification into the S&P. Down the road, I'm also looking to invest in Philip Morris, IBM, and some other stocks, but more on that in a later video. When I get this money coming in, I will definitely record a new video on where I'll be investing and why I decided to invest in those stocks. Thank you very much. This is purely, transparent video on of my holdings of stocks in the market. Also, make sure to click the like button, click that subscribe button, and smash that bell button. Thank you very much for staying until the end of this video, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.